This new Chevrolet offers such advanced features. These facts may help you appreciate why people are calling this car the Great American Value for 1932. And the new Chevrolet not only looks, but it feels, handles, and performs like no other car you have ever known. Freewheeling, as you know, is the newest driving thrill of modern motors. Chevrolet gives it to you in a new and simplified form that you may enjoy if you want it and whenever you want it. You get an improved six-cylinder engine, 60 horsepower, a top speed of from 65 to 70 miles per hour. Another important point, a feature you won't find in any other car. It is the new stabilized front fender construction. This construction stabilizes the entire front end of the car, giving you a wonderful feeling of steadiness while driving over rough roads. Furthermore, the Chevrolet frame and chassis have been greatly increased in strength. The frame now has 5 cross members. The rear axle has been made stronger. Smaller wire wheels, larger full balloon tires contribute to Chevrolet's low, racy appearance. These are a few of the facts about the new Chevrolet, but you'll never appreciate what these facts really mean until you drive this great new car. So arrange today to get behind the wheel yourself and learn why Chevrolet is truly the great American value for 1932.